Hi, hello friends. Welcome to our channel. This is Bhaskar Bura. Today in this video, we are going to discuss about the problems in exercise 12.1 in the chapter Applications of Trigonometry. In our previous video, we discussed about the examples and try this, do this problems which are given before exercise 12.1. Now this video is the continuation of the video. If you didn't watch it, I have provided the link of that video in the description box. So please watch it. Now let us see the problems from exercise 12.1. The first problem is a tower stands vertically on the ground from a point 15 meter away from the foot of the tower. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 45 degrees. What is the height of the tower? So if we observe in this problem, a tower stands vertically on the ground, and from the foot of the tower at a distance of 15 meter, the point of observation is there. From that point, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 45 degrees. Using this information, we need to find the height of the tower. So for this, first we need to draw the rough diagram for the given situation. So let us see how to draw the rough diagram for the given situation. Let us imagine a tower and it represents its height with a straight line AB, and from the foot of the tower at a distance of 15 meter, consider a point C, which is the point of observation. From this point C, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 45 degrees. So label 45 degrees here, and the distance between the foot of the tower to the point of observation is 15 meters. Now we need to find the height of the tower. Remove the picture from this diagram. Now we get a right angle triangle ABC. Here we need to find the height of the tower. Let us assume the height of the tower with H. Now to find the height of the tower, can you guess which trigonometric ratio is suitable? Yes, you are correct. In this right triangle, for the given angle 45 degrees, we have the adjacent side AC, that is 15 meters, and we need to find the opposite side AB. So we need to consider the ratio between opposite side to adjacent side. Hence we need to take tan trigonometric ratio. So let us take tan trigonometric ratio. Tan 45 degrees equals to AB by AC, and substituting their values we get 1 equals to h by 15, and transposing 15 to LHS we get h equals to 15 meters. That is the required height of the tower. Therefore the height of the tower is 15 meters. Now let us see the second problem. A tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle 30 degrees. So that the top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle 30 degrees with the ground. The distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meters. Find the height of the tree before falling down. Let us imagine a tree and assume its vertical height with a straight line AB, and this tree was broken due to storm. Let us take the breaking position of the tree with a point C. So the broken part bends and it touches the ground at some point. Assume this point as D. Now D represents the top of the broken point of the tree. Now the top of the broken part of the tree is making 30 degrees angle with the ground. And it is also given that the distance between the foot of the tree to the top of the broken part is 6 meters. If we observe, AB is the total height of the tree, and where AC and CB are the two parts of the tree. And AC is the unbroken part and CB is the broken part. And here CB, after breaking, CB bends and it is touching the ground. So CB, the length of CB equals to CD. So if you want to find the length of AB, we need to find the length of AC and CB. But here if we observe, the length of CB will be equals to length of CD, since they are the broken parts which are equal. So to find the height of the tree AB, we need to find AC length and CD length. So remove the pictures from this diagram. Using this picture, we need to find the height of the tree. Let us see how. Let us first write the given information. So from the figure right triangle ACD, we have length of AD 6 meters, and also we have angle ADC equals to 30 degrees, and we need to find the lengths of AC and CD to find the height of the tree. Let us first find out the length of AC, which is the opposite side to the given angle 30 degrees, and we have the adjacent side to the 30 degrees, that is AD 6 meters. Can you guess which trigonometric ratio is suitable in this situation? Here we have adjacent side for the given angle, and we need to find the opposite side. Hence we need to consider the ratio of opposite side to adjacent side. That is nothing but tan trigonometric ratio. Let us take tan trigonometric ratio. Tan 30 degrees equals to AC by AD. And on substituting their values, we get 1 by root 3 equals to AC by 6. And simplifying this equation, we get AC equals to 6 into root 3 meters. Assume this equation with 1. Now again we need to find the length of broken part of the tree, that is CD. To find the length of the broken part CD, which is the hypotenuse in the right angle triangle ADC. Can you guess which trigonometric ratio is suitable to find the CD? We have to use cos trigonometric ratio to find the unbent part. Since for the given 30 degrees angle, we have the adjacent side, that is AD 6 meters, and we need to find the hypotenuse, that is CD. So the ratio between adjacent side to hypotenuse is cos. So let us take cos trigonometric ratio. Cos 30 degrees equals to AD by DC. And substituting their corresponding values, we get root 3 by 2 equals to 6 by DC. And simplifying this equation, we get DC equals to 12 by root 3 meters. Assume this equation with 2. Now we have the lengths of two parts, that is the length of unbroken part AC and also the length of the broken part CD. Now if we add these two parts, we get the total height of the tree. Let us write the height of the tree, that is AB equals to AC plus CD, and substituting AC and CD values, we get the height of the tree 18 by root 3 meters. Here we can rationalize the denominator, and rationalizing the denominator we get AB equals to 6 into root 3 meters. Therefore the height of the tree is 6 into root 3 meters.